Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Girlfriends, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just here to give you a short review. So the unit that I have for you today is Red Carpet Lace Front Wig. It's in the style RCP7005 and her name is Thelma, as in Thelma and Louise. So I have her in the color 1B. It is Futura fiber, which means you can add heat. I just don't know how high because they never tell us. So anyways, this is what she looks like. Let me go ahead and remove the stock card from this package. So I went to breakfast with my daughter, and I usually go to this place, but I stopped going because every time I order eggs, the eggs look like the chickens were on a diet. So I went this morning, and she thought I was being mean because I told the guy that every time I would come to their restaurant, they give you this small proportion as if the chickens were on a diet, so I needed more eggs. So I wasn't trying to be mean, I just wanted my money's worth. Anyways, here's the actual stock card up close. So this is Miss Thelma. I'm doing her in the 1B. On the back of the card, it gives you the instructions on how to apply the unit and what you should and should not do. So this is the actual unit. Let me just get all this stuff out of here. So this is a long, like loose beach wave, I want to say, type hair. Look how long that hair is. For all my mermaid lovers. She comes with soft lace. That's the actual hairline. I don't think there's baby hairs on this unit. Yeah, there's no baby hair on this unit. I mean, even though you can create your own. The hair does not shed. I'm not getting any shedding. The texture of the hair is very, very soft, but kind of like that little tinge of that yucky feeling. On the inside of the cap, you get your one comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and in the front of the unit, it's got hair all over the comb. Let me just remove that. You get two combs, and the cap is breathable, so you're not gonna feel too hot wearing this unit. But the actual luster is very dry. Let me just kind of block my lighting. So that's what the hair looks like. So let me go ahead, remove the lace, and then I'll try her on. I'll be back. Don't you go anywhere. Okay, my queen, so I changed my top because I want you to see how long this unit is. So I've adjusted my straps right there. Let's try her on. Now, as far as tangling, it doesn't matter if the tag says tangle free, the unit is gonna tangle. So expect some tangling with this unit because once it rubs up in the nape, she's gonna tangle. So as far as big head friendly, there is room, but it still fits really snug. She fits ear to ear. Let me come in so I can show you what the actual hairline looks like. So she does fit directly ear to ear. Like I said, you can create baby hair if you want to in the front. I never do because that's just my preference, but everybody is different. Let me just adjust this camera. So this is what the actual hair texture looks like. So there's not a shine on this unit, but she is super, super long. So let me back up. All right, so I'm 5'11". This is a lot of hair, and the density, like I said, is full, but it's not overwhelming. The hair is very lightweight. That's for sure. So it's not heavy and thick. Let me go ahead and adjust the camera so you'll see how long this is. And the hair is just so beautiful. These curls are like amazing. They're not too tight of a curl. So this is where she hits me. And like I said, I am 5'11". This is all the hair to the back. Do you see how light this is? And I'm going to give you a side view. So this is the hair on the right side. And this is her on the left. And once again, this is the hairline up close again. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of my egg, like pull some of my hair on the side to hide that lace. Now this hair can be worn in a ponytail, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to. I said attempt to. Do you ladies see how snug this fits right now? Like I said, you can always pull a little bit of the hair and just trim the hair just a little bit to create like that fake baby hair. So parting space, let's see what you can do as far as parting this unit. You get like less than an inch. That's the middle. So yeah, you get less than an inch of parting space with this baby. But this is some beautiful hair, ladies. I mean, it just reminds me of that light Kerry Russell type hair, I guess before she cut her hair. What you ladies think about this? If you love long hair, this is for you. But like I said, you are gonna experience some tangling because I'm experiencing tangling right now with the hair. Let me turn around and lift the back of it up so you'll be able to see. Just in case you wanted to put the hair up in a ponytail. I need to shave these. I know, I'm gonna get with it. But look at this hair though, like the flow going on right now. You know what I'm saying? I feel like a mermaid. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Like I seriously do not want to take this off. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of powder to tame the hair. I'm just gonna add some mousse to this and a little water. Because it's like there's a lot of flyaways on this. So just any type of mousse. This doesn't have to be like brand or whatever. Yeah, I'm just taming all these flyaways. And then I'm gonna add a little powder. And I guess I'll do like a flip over method and just add a little bit of powder. Don't you go anywhere, ladies. I'll be right back. So I guess all I'm gonna get is just this little bit of parting space. What I don't like about this unit, I wish there was just a little bit more parting space on this unit because the hair is beautiful. Like I said, it feels great, very comfy fit. You know, you don't have to glue anything down because it fits really snug. So all I'm doing is just adding a little powder, and I'm using the L'Oreal True Match face powder in the color N7. So there you have it. This is just with like a light side part. If you want to, because it doesn't have layers, you can always trim some layers to the hair. But I like it this way because sometimes, you know, I just want to just feel like a celeb, you know. Walk around like it's actually mine. But yeah, like I said, this unit is beautiful. Once again, this is RCP 7005 Thelma. And that's what she looks like on the stock card. She comes in a variety of other colors. If you ladies want to check her out, I will leave the link down below where you can find this unit at a reasonable cost. And I'll just link it below so you ladies can find it. You can always wear the hair up and just style according to how you feel best to wear this lovely, gorgeous, flowy, beautiful unit. And let me know what you ladies think. Leave me a comment down below. Alrighty, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I do truly appreciate you and your time. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. I don't know what you're waiting on. Don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to turn on the notification so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. Alright, you ladies, until my next review, take care of yourself, be blessed, stay fabulous as you are. I love you. One love. Mwah.